What is the primary concern in the passage? This is a structure-based question, so let's look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph introduces the efficient market hypothesis and two schools of thought challenging the hypothesis. The second paragraph discredits the claims made by the two schools of thought, and the third paragraph acknowledges the difference between market efficiency and perfect pricing. So overall, it can be inferred that the passage is about the criticism of efficient market hypothesis, and the criticism is discredited in the passage. But the passage also acknowledges that market efficiency and perfect pricing can be different. In this context, let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, summarizing the schools of thought criticizing the hypothesis. The passage mentions two schools of thought that criticize the hypothesis, but the passage gives details of these schools of thought and does not simply summarize it. Also, the primary concern of the passage is not the criticism. The primary purpose is to refute that criticism. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, refuting the views of two schools of thought criticizing the efficient market hypothesis. Yes, this is what the mind map implies, because the first paragraph talks about the two schools of thought that challenge the hypothesis, and the second paragraph discredits these two schools of thought with a caveat in the third paragraph. This caveat is about the difference between market efficiency and perfect pricing. So answer choice B correctly captures the primary purpose in the passage. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice C, analyzing the weaknesses of the hypothesis. The passage validates the hypothesis and doesn't talk about the weaknesses of the hypothesis. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, citing evidence to support the decline in the dominance of the hypothesis. The first paragraph mentions that the dominance of the hypothesis has become far less universal. However, the passage doesn't cite any evidence to support this view. Also, the discussion related to the decline in dominance is limited in scope and cannot be the primary concern. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, correcting errors occurring in the schools of thought criticizing the hypothesis. The passage mentions two schools of thought that criticize the hypothesis, and the passage refutes the criticism by these schools of thought, but the passage doesn't correct any errors associated in these schools of thought. So this answer choice can be eliminated. B is the correct answer.